Hi everybody, I'm Bounty from Said With Love and thanks for joining me on my channel. Today I got my Sew Sampler box for April. As I said before, they do take a little while to get here in Australia, but I love them anyway. So let's show you all the goodies that are inside. So the April Sew Sampler box, let me show you what's inside. Life is Better in the Garden, April 2023. Now let me have a look at what the okay, so it's talking about the Pressed Flowers quilt kit, which is going to be the block quilt along for this next 12 months. So that's cute. So, and 7 years. They've been doing the Sew Sampler for 7 years. So, this is the back of this has the different coupon codes. So there's a free shipping with any $30 plus purchase. That's only for US orders. Free Jolly Bar Book Volume 4 with any $40 plus purchase. And 15% off Fat Quarter bundles as well. So that's some awesome ones, and this expires on the 30th of June, so still got a bit of time to get into it. So that's going to be cool. So always got some fantastic. Ooh, okay. Let's look at what's in here. Okay, let's look at the fabric first. The fabric caught my eye. Sweet Acres by, that's Beverly McCulloch, I think. Let me just quickly check. Yes. Beautiful Fat Quarter bundle by Beverly McCulloch of Riley Blake. Okay, so it's got the plastic on it. I might try and... I don't know that I've got anything sharp except for my wit. There we go. So that is the fabric. There's a lovely green stripe. It's got a nice green actually. Cute yellow with some flowers in a vase. Lovely gingham check with some flowers. That almost looks like a Laurie Holt kind of print. That blue is very Laurie Holt, and some more flowers. I think that's got bigger flowers, and this purple floral as well. So that's lovely. And have a quick look at what the pattern is. So it's called Picker's Patch, and it's by Beverly as well. The finish size is 48 by 57, and got lots of colour instructions. So we need this 6-piece Fat Quarter bundle, as well as 2¼ yards of background and borders, and a 3/4 yard outer border, and some binding, 5/8 of a yard of binding. So that is lovely. Now they have been making up little finishing kits for these quilt patterns too. So you can always check online at the Fat Quarter shop for those. So what else have we got? Bohin 2 screwdriver sets. I suppose if you've misplaced or lost your screwdrivers from your sewing machine, they're probably handy. Not sure that I'm going to have much use for those because I still have my screwdrivers, but always handy, I suppose, for around the house. Magic Iron Cleaner removes residue, safe for most irons, non-flammable. So my iron doesn't get terribly dirty, so because I don't use steam with mine. If I need to get a bit of steam, I'll spritz it with some water and then use my hot iron. I always forget to take the water out. So, but anyway, we'll keep that on standby in case I perhaps do some damage at some point to my iron. Ooh, and this is a Flamingo Toes Beverly McCulloch's needle minder with that same flower from her, what's it called, Picker's Patch quilt pattern. She does some beautiful needle minders. Let's just get that out of the plastic so it's not shiny. There we go. Oh, that is so cute. And it's got, it's a magnety one. So it hasn't got it's not a pin. So it hasn't got an actual pin in it. It's literally a needle minder. So it's got the magnet. Now, you do need to be careful with these magnets, especially around small kids. So just be careful where you're putting them. But that is a cutie. What's this funny little thing? A cord wrap. Okay, I'm opening these. Try and keep the cords tidy, I suppose. They look cute. Sort of look like rickrack. Oh, and they're Velcro. Let me try and get, there's 3 of them in here. So there's one. Sort of looking around if I got any cords here. I'll have to just go and grab some cords from somewhere. But I'm assuming you put your cords in here and Velcro will keep them nice and tight. They are actually quite cute and very useful. Laptop cables, all of the cablings for my filming, etc. So they look cute. And here is the first block of the pressed flowers quilt along. So this is block number 1, called Delphinium, and looking cute. So it's cutting instructions, lovely colour in detailed instructions. So that's a cute block, actually, lovely flower block. So I keep these stored away in a separate little folder so that I can go back to them, and I wait until the end, until I've got all of them before I start picking some fabric to start making. The sun's just come out and there is April's Sew Sampler.